Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable system protection and create restore points in Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for restore point. Here you can see create a restore point. You have to click on this. Now you have to select your drive and click on configuration. Here you have to turn on the button of turn on system protection. So now move the slider below to adjust the maximum disk space uses. You can keep it between 1% to 5%. Now click on apply and OK. To create restore point, you have to click on create. Give a name of your created restore point. I'm giving my restore point. Now click on create. Now press and close. There, OK. So this is how you can enable system protection and create restore points in Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.